What do you think, James? Look at him.
Well,
Hey, buddy.
it's
What's in there?
it's
What
What
color
is
is
it?
the balloon? Is it a girl color or a boy color? So what does that mean?
Because it's all mine.
It's yours?
What's the baby gonna be?
In mommy's tummy.
Is the baby a girl or a boy?
A girl.
You think so? What's the balloon say it is?
A boy.
Yeah, it's a boy. You get a baby brother.
Oh.
She's a little disappointed.
It'll be fun to be the only girl.